It's looking like a pasta or lasagna night for sure. Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and get started, get activated, dance a little. I'm listening to my favorite song right now, and you know what? It's through Pandora. So let me go ahead and show you. This is the song that I'm listening to. You can't really see right now, but it is En Tu Cuerpo. And let's go ahead and get started. So I start placing everything on the stove, especially the pots. Take out the seasonings, turn up the stove, and we want to boil the water first. So I'm adding the water while I wait for this pot to get filled. The stove is turning on. Perfect. That's what I want. And yeah, now I just listen to the song, groove a little, dance. You already know. Absolutely love it. It's the best. And then yes, obviously the song changes, but we put the boiling water on the stove in the pot, and now I used my favorite olive oil, and it's from Great Value. It's Walmart brand, and I just pour a little bit in. Don't be shy. Put a little more, of course. Now I add adobo seasoning. Absolutely love it. I go ahead and throw out the taco seasoning. No, I'm just kidding. I just put it away. Because what was I thinking? Now I use ground turkey. Sofrito. Of course, sofrito's the top. I just put a splash into the pot because I absolutely love sofrito. But just a little bit goes a long way. And it's already oily. So definitely just want it to be a little bit of season. That's it. And then yes, the Instacart driver, because I ordered through Instacart my groceries, he did not find the ground beef. I love ground beef. So I was like, you know what? Let me not get a refund. I definitely want to cook tonight. So pues, I was like, yeah, ground turkey is perfectly fine. So sorry, okay, that's what I got. Yeah, I like to rinse it a little bit, jam a little more, and wash my hands, of course, after touching it. Now I just put scoops into the pot because I like to cut it up really good and have like that little taco feel to it, to my meat. Definitely grounded. So just put it in the pot, mix it together, and that's it. I turned it up because I wanted to boil, period. And turn my light on because yes, that light is perfect for the vibe in the kitchen. And now, yes, I have my cilantro. I put that in because it gives a little bit of a seasoning to the meat. Absolutely love that. And just a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot, in my view. And yeah, just like mash it more together. And yes, I'm so excited to cook this because lasagna is actually my like go-to, my favorite dish. And aside from Chinese food, I absolutely love fried rice. So I definitely want to learn that for sure going forward. But yeah, have it mixed. Dance a little groove, baby. Hey, dale, dale, que tú puedes. Keep the vibe good, always in the kitchen. Lasagna. And it's from Publix. It doesn't matter what brand, it's just lasagna. And yeah, just wash my hands, of course, because working with me and touching the spoon, all that, I don't know, I just like to be clean. But yeah, definitely love to jam out. Music is therapy, y'all. I don't know about you, but therapy is everything when it comes to music. Love it. Especially those car rides. I just love taking Peluche out and just jamming the music literally with the windows down. He loves it. And yes, Peluche is my dog. But yes, ricotta cheese, you gotta have your ingredients. Sargento, okay, for cheese, Mexican, period. And shred it. And then yes, I always have a Great Value or any brand Parmesan cheese ready to go for after. You just mix up that meat again, period. And then make sure you flip your pasta. I did that and I cut it out from the video, of course. But yeah, flip the pasta and start boiling. Yeah, it needs to boil more, but because it was just sitting there. And then yeah, clean a little, and then the meat sauce I use is oregano, absolutely delicious. Use salt and pepper and add it in there. And now it's time to strain the lasagna, y'all. And I wait a little bit because I don't like this, the sink to have a lot of water coming up. But yeah, now I use the small baking pan. And because it's more juicy, it's just for me. And now I have the pasta. The sauce is ready, the gravy. And start with cheese, of course. Cheese is ready. Everything's ready. Ricotta. So the oven is ready. Stove is off. And I start layering it. So just straight and then sideways. Just like that. And now we put cheese. And I put cheese in threes. It's a small pan. So yes, threes is the best. 1, 2, 3. And then I put my meat, of course. Meat sauce, gravy, whatever you want to call it. But it has meat in it, so hey. And I put that in threes as well. And I just mushed it. And now the ricotta, I just take a spoonful, big spoon, and just pop it on it. That's it. 1, 2, 3, of course, in threes. Left, right, left, or right, left, right, if you go bottom to top. Then I layer it again with some more lasagna. Yes. And redo the steps. So we're going to do cheese again. Sprinkle cheese and ricotta. No, sprinkle cheese, meat, and then ricotta. And then, yes. After all this stuff, I was gonna speed up the video, but you know what? I'd rather speak to you guys. I don't really talk too much in my videos like this. Especially when I'm showing food, I just want to talk while we're in the kitchen. It's good to listen to music though. And you know what? I'll put some on for you guys while I edit this. So, just so you guys can have like a little jam, you know? Jam time. And then, yes, I just flip the rest of the pieces on it. And it's perfect. It's ready to go. Just put some cheese on top. And always put it at the bottom because the heat rises. And I like my bottom crispy in my lasagna. And it just cooks better that way. I don't know, for me. So, yeah. Now, I always set the timer. It's 25 minutes. So, yes, always have a timer because you don't want the thing to, like, burn in there. Algunas veces me pasa eso. Sometimes it happens, like, the bottom will burn too much or something. And then, yes, I love to clean throughout. Like, once I'm done cooking, I love to clean. I like to be on top of my things. No dust in the house, nothing. Everything has to be spotless. And now it's time to plate. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.